Welcome to Garadso Network. Today, I'll show you how to create professional, attractive, and clickable YouTube thumbnails using ChatGPT. If you're a content creator, watch until the end to learn how to make thumbnails that grab attention. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content and creative tips. Let's get started.
Welcome to Garadso Network. Today, this video, as you have seen in the video intro, I want to create a video thumbnail like this, and from scratch I will be going to ChatGPT and I will write some information in this search bar, and then I'll send to ChatGPT to create a clickable viral thumbnail for a YouTube video. In general, these are the now thumbnails I've already created and used for my YouTube videos. You are watching us from Garadso Network. If you are new to us, kindly subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Now let's go to ChatGPT. I will write here all the information I want, and then I will give the responsibility to ChatGPT to create from scratch a professional cinematic image to be used for my videos that I want to upload in the YouTube. So now let's start from scratch and give information to ChatGPT. I'll say create a professional and realistic. Write as much as you can. Realistic and image thumbnail for my YouTube video. So with title, how to create a video thumbnail, using ChatGPT. The thumbnail, you can give as much information as you want to ChatGPT, so that ChatGPT will produce the best results out from the information given. The thumbnail should be in 16 by 9. Include a young Somali boy struggling to create a thumbnail facing his computer and holding his cheeks. Yes, holding his cheeks, so that his cheeks with his hands, Now let's say the thumbnail should be included. Should also be included some supporting images, like computer, ChatGPT, and suitable arrows, suitable arrows and signs that shows how the boy is struggling in the process of creating, creating his thumbnail. Yes, thumbnail. So now let the thumbnail be very attractive to viewers and viral. Yes, then let's say you can say I need in prompt fashion first. Let's say first prompt fashion first, but not the real image, but not the final image. Then say enter. Now let us wait. The ChatGPT now is providing us all the information required for the thumbnail to be created. This is now the aspect ratio of the thumbnail we are creating is 16:9. So we have to read. Now the overall concept is that a realistic young Somali content creator is struggling badly to design YouTube thumbnail on his computer, surrounded by visual signs of confusion and failed attempts, while ChatGPT appears as an obvious AI solution that can help him transform his poor thumbnail in a professional one. So what are some of the things that I told the ChatGPT not to be included in the thumbnail? This is now says and cartoonish or childish, important, do not overcrowd the composition. Okay, all these things should not be included in the thumbnail, but the style of the thumbnail should be like this: extremely eye-catching, professional, realistic, modern, cinematic, high contrast, emotional. Yes. What is now the first? Let's see the first part. What are some of the things that we are supposed to see after the thumbnail creation? A large computer or laptop, ChatGPT sample, question mark, and then okay. Now let's see. Let's now see create now. No. Instead we have to use another word. Generate now. Then ChatGPT now will start creating the 16:9 aspect ratio video thumbnail to be used for YouTube, a very professional one. Then after a few minutes we shall see the kind of thumbnail that ChatGPT will create for us. A few minutes. Let's now wait. This is now our thumbnail. What can we do now? This is YouTube. Another one, we have my vlog day 1. Now we don't want this information now. Eye-catching, clear message, professional look. I will again talk to ChatGPT. I'll tell him remove text under my vlog day 1. My vlog day 1, and leave the rest. Leave the rest the rest as per it is. If you know English, you can write a lot of words and then instruct ChatGPT to redesign or create a new thumbnail as per it is. So this one you have to describe. We have here my vlog day 1, another one my vlog day 1. So which one do you want to be removed? We wanted this one on the right hand side. Now let's add this information. It will help us ChatGPT to understand our instruction. So on the right hand side, on the right hand side, on the right hand side, okay, hand side corner, just say corner or edges, whatever you call, and leave the rest as per it is. We'll stop and then we'll say enter. ChatGPT now will redesign. It will remove all those taxes we have identified, and the rest of the thumbnail will remain the same. This arrow, another one, and this cross sign, this question mark, this stress sign, and this danger. It shows that how hard to create this thumbnail. So I told ChatGPT to remove only this information, the rest to be left this way. So now let us see the kind of thumbnail is going to generate. Guys, if you have not still and subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly I request from you to visit my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and leave us a comment on how you have understood by this one in the process we have followed to create a thumbnail. Thank you. So now ChatGPT has created 2 images. So which one to choose? It is, I think both images are viral, but which one can we choose, my friend? You can choose one of these. So this one is also viral. We can also choose that one. No, that one is the previous one. This one we can choose either. So what is the difference between this and these 2? This one contains A1, another one has no information. So this thumbnail, all A1 has been removed, but this one, yeah, it's okay. I think this is better. This is better. So now let us download this one. You can download from here. You can download both the images provided by the ChatGPT, or you can download this one. Then you will go to your desktop or your download section in your computer, and then you can use it from there. So that's all what I wanted to share with you guys. See you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.